enchanted castle where the magic begins. Grab your magic pencil, let the colors spin. From royal hairstyles to a carriage of light, at Princess Design Academy, you're shining bright.
Girls, welcome. Look who is here. The groom and I need your help. Today is the most special day in the Magic Academy. It's our royal wedding. But look, my dress is missing its magic colors. Let's design together. First, my grand wedding veil we need to make perfect wavy lines. Take your time, girls. Your hand is getting very steady, just like a royal artist. Good job. Now, the magic begins. This is my signature color, grape. Purple, it's deep and royal, like the most delicious grape juice. Color with me. Don't worry about staying inside the lines. Every dress is unique. Look at these patterns. The groom is going to look so elegant. We are creating a masterpiece, girls, and it is going to be SO. Real.
Look at this dress! My love! The grape sparkles feel like pure magic under the castle lights.
Annabella, you look more beautiful than the brightest star in the Magic Academy.
I always knew my royal wedding would taste like sweet grapes and feel like a fairy tale.
Coloring. Cream. Brown. Purple. Green. Blue. Lilac.
Do you promise to color our days with happiness and love?
I do, and you promise to share all your magical great adventures with me?
I do. Together forever. I do. Together forever. We look so perfect because our little artist drew us with so much love.
Thank you for creating the most beautiful royal wedding in the world.
Glitter. Ta-da! Look at us. This dress is a dream come true. Look at the shiny grape patterns and the sparkle. I feel like the most beautiful grape bride in the entire kingdom. We are ready to say I do. You are the best royal designers. Thank you for the magic. If you love grapes and weddings too, ask your parents to subscribe to our Design Academy. We have so much more art to create with you. Be kind and draw with love.